During the talkback session, one of the audience members, an elderly man, came out and described gaano ka touching yung story and a very particular scene in the film. How does it feel na not only has your perspective touch people your age, but also yung kanilang parents and people you originally didn't have in mind sa demographic?
Actually, nakakilig siya, to be honest. Sobrang nagulat ako kasi nung sinusulat ko at ginagawa yung high tide or low tide, it was originally para talaga sa youth na nag-struggle with finding acceptance and finding support amidst difficulties. To know and to hear something like that, sobrang nakakakilig, sobrang nakakataba ng puso kasi nagtatranscend din siya into another age demographic. Sobrang thankful din ako na napadaan si tatay at nanood siya. At least may proof ako na patunayan ko na yung film namin, nag-succeed naman siya na magbigay ng honest and sincere na yakap sa kung sino man yung nakakapanood.
Keep up to date by following our socials for schedules and other details.